bet.
What's the bet?
You should bet whoever wins bowling.
Okay, if I win bowling, you have to pay for my meal.
What? Okay, if I win bowling, you have to pay for my meal then.
Okay. Oh my! Yeah! In your face, Max!
I see.
Oh! Nice! That curve! Ah! Woo! That's a good one! Strike! Yeah! Good job! Yeah! No!
That's what I like. That's what I like.
It's over.
There we go. Free meal for me.
Oh, wait, no, look, it's still going! It's still going, Max! It's still going!
Game 2?
It's still, no, it's the same game still. Where's the points? No, you add the points. Yeah. You add the points, Max.
Okay, let's see that.
It's not done yet.
Okay.
It's not done yet, bro.
Okay.
No one was watching. You're Josh! Yeah.
No.
Yeah, if it's tied, if I win the one game and you win the other game, then it's tied. Yeah!
Wait.
We're even!
It doesn't count.
We're even! It does count!
No, you changed it. I won.
No, we're tied!
Fine. And
No! No, no, no.